Alright, so we're at Cameron's place. Stop, Cameron. What are you saying? So, first thing we're doing is we're taking the shift boot off and we're gonna swap it out with this Pride shift boot. Looks pretty dope. He hates it. What are your thoughts on this new shift boot? You think it's gonna look good?
Pretty sick. Real sick.
Pretty sick. What are your thoughts on it? Not good?
Not good.
So you gotta kind of get at it from the side here, under here, and then you just pop it up. Alright, we got the plier drawer here now. Don't need vice grips. Looks like we're using the vice grips.
Piece of junk. I'll work out first. Junk. Yeah.
Alright, we got her! Oh, that is grimy. Look at that string and. It's a little broken, so we're gonna try and get some glue. Cameron's still fighting with this guy. It's almost out.
Like it's fucking crusted in there, man.
Grease.
Fucking the Burger King and shit.
Oh. Grease. Full front end back together, hood's on. Body lines are pretty good. It's a little tight on this side. The bumper took me about 4 hours to get on by itself. The grill isn't too bad. On this side here, it's on the outside of the headlight, and on this side, it's on the inside. So, as you can see, we decided to spray paint everything under the hood. Cameron's over here, doing all the work. The new shift knob looks unreal. Prime.
Can't drive. Can't drive. You know what DK stands for? Donkey Kong. Drift King.